Hey there, a quick note fam. Life can get pretty crazy, right? Juggling work, personal stuff, and trying to stay healthy can feel like an impossible task. But fear not. I've got your back with some super easy home workouts tailor-made for all you busy bees out there. So, let's talk about how to stay fit without losing your mind in the chaos of daily life. No fancy gym memberships or extra hours are needed, just you and some simple exercises. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. In the fast-paced world we live in, finding time for the gym can be tough, especially for those of us with hectic schedules. Work, personal stuff, and limited free time make it challenging to strike a balance between our professional and fitness lives. But guess what? Staying healthy in the midst of a busy lifestyle is totally doable. We're about to explore 10 easy and effective home workouts designed specifically for folks navigating the craziness of work. So, whether you're a CEO, a freelancer, or anything in between, let's make staying fit a breeze. Ready? Let's go. 1. Bodyweight circuit training. Join the bodyweight workout revolution. No fancy equipment needed, just you and some motivation. Squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks are your VIP tickets to a full-body fitness fiesta. It's the ultimate solution for busy bees craving a fast, effective workout. So, ditch the excuses, embrace the burn, and let's get moving. Remember, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Your body will thank you later. 2. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is the superhero of workouts, fast, effective, and a heart health booster. Imagine short bursts of intense exercises, sprinkled with quick breaks. It's like the espresso shot of workouts, perfect for busy bees craving maximum gains in minimum time. Say goodbye to long, tedious sessions and hello to a fitness revolution tailored for your on-the-go lifestyle. Your heart and time clock will both thank you for this game-changing workout. 3. Stretching for stress alleviation. Unlock the power of a quick stretch in your busy day for a world of benefits. Stretching isn't just about flexibility, it's a ticket to relaxation, stress reduction, and improved focus. It's the secret weapon for busy professionals striving to find balance in the chaos of work and life. So, take a moment, stretch it out, and let the good vibes roll. Your body and mind will thank you for this simple but transformative practice. 4. Jump rope cardio. Jumping rope, the superhero of simple but effective exercises, tailor-made for busy professionals on a heart-healthy mission. In just a few minutes, this uncomplicated workout elevates your heart rate, sharpens coordination, and torches calories. Best part? You can unleash your inner jump roper in the cozy confines of your home workout space. So, grab that rope, bounce your way to a healthier heart, and let the calorie-burning party begin. Your heart will thank you for the jump start. 5. Dumbbell strength training. Dumbbells are like mini superheroes for home workouts, compact and powerful. Even in tight spaces, these versatile tools turn simple exercises like bicep curls, shoulder presses, and lunges into muscle-strengthening champions. For busy professionals, it's a straightforward path to building endurance and overall physical well-being. So, grab those dumbbells, unleash your inner strength, and let the gains begin. Your body will thank you for this simple yet effective fitness journey. 6. Pilates for core strength. Pilates is the guru of core strength, flexibility, and posture perfection. With its gentle yet powerful exercises, Pilates becomes the go-to for professionals aiming to fortify their core foundation. It's the secret sauce for overall physical health and fitness, especially with its low-impact magic. So, whether you're at the office or at home, dive into Pilates and sculpt that solid, stable core. Your body will thank you for the strength, flexibility, and posture upgrade. 7. Tabata Training. Tabata Training is like HIIT's energetic sibling, quick, intense bursts of exercise followed by speedy rest stops. This dynamic duo is efficient and effective, revving up your metabolism and giving your cardiovascular health a VIP pass to greatness. Perfect for the go-getting professionals looking to ace their fitness game in record time. So, dive into Tabata, feel the burn, and let the results speak for themselves. Your busy schedule will thank you for this powerhouse workout. 8. Staircase Exercises. Turning your home stairs into a personal workout arena is a genius move for professionals aiming to level up their lower body strength. Step-ups, calf raises, and step sprints become your secret weapons, sculpting those leg muscles effortlessly. It's the go-to fitness fix, tailor-made for busy schedules. So, take the stairs, feel the burn, and revel in the convenience of a powerful lower body workout. Your legs will thank you for the daily stairway to strength. 9. Resistance Band Exercises. Meet your fitness sidekick, resistance bands. Tailor-made for busy professionals, these bands are light, portable, and oh so versatile. Strengthen and tone different muscle groups with ease. Whether you're a fitness beginner or a pro, the variety of exercises caters to all levels, making resistance bands the practical and efficient go-to for a comprehensive muscle workout and improved flexibility. Grab your bands, let the versatility unfold, and embrace the journey to a stronger, more flexible you. 10. Quick cardio blasts. Reverend up your day with bursts of high-intensity cardio, think burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks. It's not just a workout. It's a quick energy infusion that gets your heart pumping. Ideal for busy professionals, these short and sweet cardio sessions keep you active and invigorated. Perfect for those with the busiest of schedules, these bursts will turn your day into a high-energy adventure. So, lace up those sneakers, unleash your inner cardio warrior, and let the invigoration begin. Your heart and schedule will thank you for the boost. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed making it, don't forget to hit that like button. It's the digital version of a high five. And hey, subscribing is like joining the coolest club in town. If you don't hit that subscribe button, rumor has it your coffee might turn into decaf, your Wi-Fi might get the hiccups, and your playlist will be stuck on Baby Shark forever. So, save yourself from the chaos, hit subscribe, and let's keep the good vibes rolling. See you in the next one, and remember, subscribing is the secret to a life without perpetual Baby Shark loops.